Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for a large amount of baking soda? Well, you have come to the right place. I enjoy using this large resealable baking soda and distributing it all over my house for easy access to clean my items. I use it in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in my laundry. It has so many uses that are beneficial to my family and lessen the toxic footprint in my house. I love how it makes my stainless steel shine just like new with a little effort. I think it's a great budget-friendly item with many uses. Like I use it in my laundry to give my white clothes brightness. I just sprinkle about a cup into a load and let it go to work. I also get to save money and feel accomplished when I make my own carpet freshener. That way I can choose my own scent of essential oils and have great smelling, clean carpet. So whether you're a baking enthusiast, you need it for your pool, you love making your own homemade cleaning supplies, then you're gonna love this amazing baking soda. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.